Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Bigo Live application. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet and press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by tapping open your Bigo Live application from your app drawer. You'll end up in this interface. As soon as you do that, start off by selecting your country code from the drop-down displayed. Once you've done that, type in the phone number that is associated with your Bigo Live account. You can also log into your Bigo Live account using the social networking sites right below at the bottom. Choose any one option to log in with your social networking sites. Now, after you're done entering your phone number, tap on the next button. On the next page, it'll ask you for your password. Type it into the text box. You can also double check your password by clicking on this closed eye icon at the right corner right next to the password field. Finally, after typing in your password, you can tap on the login button to log in. But in case you've forgotten your password, you can tap on this button right here that says forgot password and follow the instruction in order to reset to your new password. You can also log in with verification code if you don't want to type in your password by tapping on this link right here. Once you do that, on the next page, you'll get to type in your verification code that will be sent to your mobile number. Simply tap on the send button right here in order to receive the verification code, and the verification code will be typed in automatically and you'll be able to log into your account. Once you type in the password, simply tap on the login button and there you have been logged into your Bigo Live account in no time. It's that simple in order to log into your account. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.